Saturday morning, March 13th, 7:15 a.m. Calling for a big snowstorm starting today. So far, just a little bit of rain. Well, here we are, March 13th. It is now 10:45 a.m. Supposed to be Snowmageddon today. They're saying several feet of snow. So far, it's just light rain still, and just enough to keep the ground damp and a little wet in spots. Alright, 12 p.m. noon, Saturday, March 13th. Snowmageddon 2021. Finally started snowing. Alright, here we are. It is almost 5 p.m. March 13th. Snow's finally starting to stick. Been coming down for a few hours, but it's just been melting for the most part. But now it's finally starting to stick, so. Morning, folks. Day 2 of Snowmageddon. Actually some snow this morning at 7 o'clock on Sunday, March 14th. 9:40 Sunday morning. Snow's blowing and kids are playing.
Ah! Aw, dang it.
Alright, folks, it's noon on Sunday, March 14th. We are looking at about 8 inches of snow. It's really, really windy. My neighbor across the street over there shoveled once already, but it doesn't even look like it. This will be fun digging out late tonight and tomorrow morning, that's for sure, to get to work.
Do we have like...
Alright, Sunday, March 14th at a little after 2 o'clock. We're getting ready to do our first pass with the snowblower. Still snowing and blowing like crazy. Here we go. Alright, so here it is after the first round of snow blowing. There's Jackson over there in the snow. That took a while. Almost an hour to do our sidewalks and our driveway there with the snow blower. Still coming down really hard, blowing really hard.
That's crazy. Hasn't even worked, Mom.
Alright guys, 5:30 p.m. March 14th, and this is what we're up against. Still blowing like crazy. Well, good morning. It is Monday, March 15th. There was about a foot of snow when we snow blowed yesterday, and it appears to be about another foot of snow again. So we're going to tackle this project. Skies are starting to break loose here. Some blue sky. The aftermath of the blizzard 2021. Hi, J girl.